Hey, what's up YouTube? PxDIZZLE here, back at you with another review. Today we are looking at the Loki Cosrider from Hot Toys. So hit that like and that subscription and stick around after this and we'll get to the review. Alright, like I said, we're doing Loki Cosrider from Hot Toys. Now it's this little Cos-Baby type figure. He's sitting on a like one of those little quarter machine rides you'd see at like the grocery store. But yeah, we'll get to that here in a second. It's a pretty cool little piece. Loki, it's not my favorite guy. It's my wife's favorite guy, really. And we actually do have quite a bit of Loki stuff, so I do plan on doing some reviews for those. Just because, you know, Loki's coming up, the show. Figure we might as well talk about what everybody else is talking about. Unfortunately, I can't find the box for this, which is odd. Usually I do have the box. I keep all my boxes. I take everything out of the boxes, though. But it came with some stickers that you can put around, like on the little ride that he's riding. But I actually can't find those right now, unfortunately. Very odd. Usually have the box. But anyways, we're going to get to the review. So stick around and we'll head over to the table. And here he is. Little Loki chilling on a little ride. He's got his scepter. It's pretty cool, all the decals on it. That's another reason I didn't really care too much about not having those stickers to show you guys, because he's pretty much got stickers all over his little ride here. Now this is the coin that he comes with. It is a Hot Toys coin. Pretty cool little coin. I'll show you what that does here in a second, though, like I said. And his cape, it's all plastic. It's all hard plastic, but his cape is in like an action pose. As you can see, sitting down on top of a little ride. There's the USB, because this is actually powered. It has lights and music, and I will show you that here in a second. Helmet looks great. His little face, very cute. Just a real cute little piece here. Well, I didn't really know what to expect from it. It's actually kind of bigger than I thought it was. And I think I got it from Sideshow. It is on Amazon as well. I'll throw links up down in the description if you guys want to pick it up. But I think it's only like 55 or 60 bucks. Very cool little piece. And then I'm going to plug it in next and show you the lights and the sound. Alright, so watch this. This is pretty cool. See, he's now plugged in. Which I wish this plug, this is a con for sure. I wish this plug was on the other side, because this is the side that you drop your coin in. So it's hard to display them, and it's hard to display and put the coin in at the same time while it's plugged in. I've actually not been keeping it plugged in, though, because it's kind of on top of something and I don't have a plug real close. But, all right, so here's what happens when you insert the Hot Toys little quarter. Nothing. It does that like the very first time when it's plugged in. So what I've been doing is just like turn it on and off. And there it did it again. Dang. All right, let's see. Third time. Yeah, a little glitchy. Kind of a catchy little tune. And it goes on for quite a while, as you can see. Boom. And we're done. Loki Cosrider by Hot Toys. Very cool. I think I got him for my wife for her birthday or Valentine's Day, one of the two, back in February. But yeah, very cool little piece. All right, so now we will go back to the table, go back to the desk, and we will discuss a little bit more. Back at the desk, here we are with the little Loki Cosrider. Such a cute little piece, very affordable. I don't know, is it worth the money? I guess it's not overkill. I mean, you can get a lot bigger pieces for $50-$60. I mean, some of those Diamond Selects you can get for that size, but I don't know. It's the colors are great. I mean, it looks wonderful. It's definitely, the gold paint definitely makes it pop on a shelf. So I like that about it. I mean, the sculpt, I mean, you can't say much. It's just a little chibi little guy. My pick of the piece, definitely the scepter. Definitely the scepter. Cons, pros and cons. I don't like the plug placement. I really don't. It makes it kind of a pain to display it, as well as insert the quarter and make it do its little dance, its music. So yeah, that's definitely a big con. Yeah, the pros, it's a nice little piece, and it's Loki, so there's not a ton of Loki stuff out there. So my wife is happy to have this little guy. She was pretty surprised by it. But yeah, no number score. I'm not going to be putting numbers on it. I would say if it's a buy or a pass, I mean, I would say it's a buy because I bought it. I like it. You know, I bought it as a gift. I personally probably would not buy it, but if you're a Loki fan, absolutely. Pick this little guy up. I think he's worth it. Even if you only plug him in once in a while to show him off. But yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button. Hit the subscription button. Leave me a comment. Criticism, critiques, anything. Collaborations. I am open to it all. So hit me up. And I will see you on the next video.